Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Grand Design Reflection fifth wheel trailer, a rig that promises luxury, towability, and comfort for your adventures. I'm breaking down the details: exterior, interior, comfort, performance, and my final thoughts. Let's hit the road and check this beauty out. Details. The Grand Design Reflection fifth wheel comes in multiple series, like the standard Reflection, the lighter 150 series for half-ton trucks, and the value-packed 100 series. With floor plans ranging from cozy couples layouts to family-friendly bunkhouses, there's something for everyone. Weights start around 7,000 pounds for the 150 series and can go up to 14,000 pounds for larger models. Prices vary, but expect to start around $60,000 for a new 150 series and climb higher for premium trims. It's built with Grand Design's signature Arctic 4-season protection package, making it ready for year-round camping. Exterior. From the outside, the Reflection is a stunner. Its sleek, fiberglass exterior with glossy gel coat finish screams quality. Full laminated walls with R9 insulation keep it sturdy and weather-resistant. The heated pass-through storage is massive, with split doors to keep your gear organized. You get durable endurance trailer tires and a Morid Crescent 3000 suspension for smoother towing. The 150 series even boasts a 90-degree turning radius for tight spots. Plus, a standard solar package with a 180W or 370W roof panel and inverter prep makes off-grid camping a breeze. One gripe: some owners report rust on the lippet frame over time, so keep an eye on maintenance. Interior. Step inside, and the Reflection feels like a modern apartment. Residential-style cabinetry, solid hardwood drawers, and panoramic windows create a warm, upscale vibe. The kitchen shines with a stainless steel sink, residential fridge, and a spacious island in most floor plans, perfect for meal prep. The living area offers theater seating or tri-fold sofas, a big LED TV, and an electric fireplace for cozy nights. Bathrooms are a highlight, with roomy showers, skylights, and even spa-like finishes in the 100 series. Storage is plentiful, but some 2024 owners noted minor fit and finish issues, like cabinet doors rubbing. Comfort. Comfort is where the Reflection flexes. The Arctic 4-season package includes a 35 BTU furnace, double insulated roof, and heated underbelly, keeping you toasty in sub-zero temps or cool in summer heat. Testing shows it handles -6 degrees Fahrenheit to 101 degrees Fahrenheit like a champ. The ductless heating system ensures even airflow, and motion sensor lighting adds a luxe touch. Bedrooms feature queen or king beds with underbed storage, though some users say the trailer shakes when walking inside. The 150 series is quieter thanks to its Kurt coiling suspension, but taller folks might find the bathroom fan switch awkwardly placed. Performance. Towing the Reflection is a dream, especially the 150 series, designed for half-ton trucks. The Morid suspension and ABS braking system provide stability and control, even on rough terrain. Owners rave about its tracking and ease of handling, though heavier models need a beefy 3/4-ton truck. The solar package and 12 volts fridge let you boondock longer, but the stock battery struggles with hydraulic lifts without shore power. Some 2024 models had issues like slide-outs needing resets or leaky grey tanks, so inspect thoroughly. Grand Design's 3-year structural and 5-year frame warranty offers peace of mind. Conclusion. The Grand Design Reflection fifth wheel is a top-tier RV that blends luxury with practicality. Its stunning exterior, home-like interior, and all-season comfort make it ideal for weekend getaways or full-time living. While it tows like a champ and boasts innovative features, watch for minor quality hiccups and frame maintenance. If you're after a reliable, stylish fifth wheel, the Reflection is tough to beat. Drop a comment: would you pick this for your next adventure? Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next campsite.